How to find draft videos on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can find all of your draft videos in your YouTube account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application from your device. Then you will see a page like this. In here, you will also see a plus icon from the bottom. Tap onto it. And once you're at this page, make sure that you are on the short tab, which is at the second option. Also, if you have any draft videos, you will be able to see it right in your right side, just beside the section of the clicking icon. But in case you don't have any draft videos, that option will not be shown to you. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.